Hey guys, I'm back with a beautiful package from Rodeos and I want to show them to you. Here's the box and let's open it. Here it is. First up, we have this Stay Woke beautiful mask. See there? Next up, we have this makeup bag. Let's open it. And there are brushes, beautiful brushes. Yeah, I can't wait to try them out. Thank you, Rodeos. I love it and I can't wait to use them.
Follow White Rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, Rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me so I follow.